In this lesson, we are going to learn how to get a total capacitance formula for two capacitors connecting series. We begin with analyzing the circuit, derive and prove the formula, and at the end we have one example to reinforce the learning. Here we have two capacitors connecting series. The two capacitors are called C1 and C2. They are attached side by side. This is the series connection. Let's look at the note first. From previous lesson, we learned capacitance is defined as Q over V. The total charge stored inside this capacitor divided by the total voltage applied to this capacitor. We also know that for series circuit, the current is same at anywhere in the circuit. It is a constant number. Also, the total voltage dissipated on the entire system is the sum of voltage drops on individual capacitor. Now we are ready to analyze the circuit to get a formula. Let's say V1 is the voltage drop on capacitor 1, and V2 is the voltage drop on capacitor 2. The total voltage of these two capacitor system is VEQ. And VEQ equals to V1 plus V2. The first equation in the note, C equals to Q over V, we can rearrange it. So V equals to Q over C. Therefore, VEQ equals to QEQ over CEQ. V1 equals to Q1 over C1. And V2 equals to Q2 over C2. So we can replace VEQ by QEQ over CEQ. We replace V1 by Q1 over C1 and replace V2 by Q2 over C2. Since the current is uniform at any point of the series circuit, the amount of charges stored by any plate should be same. We can say the equivalent Q equals to Q1 equals to Q2 and let them equal to a constant number Q. We can rewrite the equation Q over CEQ equals to Q over C1 plus Q over C2. Simplify the equation by dividing the common factor Q on both sides of the equation we get. One over CEQ equal to 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2. Multiply C1 times C2 on both sides of the equation. C1 times C2 divided by CEQ . Here we use distributive property equals to C1 times C2 divided by C1 plus C1 times C2 divided by C2. After cancellation and simplify, we got C1 times C2 divided by CEQ equals to C2 plus C1. we need to use cross multiplication. So we rewrite C2 plus C1 to be C2 plus C1 divided by 1. If you apply the cross multiplication, C1 times C2 times 1, which is itself, equals to CEQ times the sum of C2 plus C1. We get CEQ equals to C1 times C2 divided by the sum of C1 plus C2. This is the formula for finding the total capacitance of two capacitors connecting in series. Let me rewrite the formula and put it here where it belongs to. Let's work on one example. Two capacitors C1 and C2 connect in series. C1 equals to 200 microfarad and C2 equals to 300 microfarad. What is the total capacitance of this system? Using the formula, we got CEQ equals to 200 times 300 divided by 200 plus 300. It equals to 60,000 divided by 500, and that equals to 120 microfarad.